I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a target size and limiting choices. 16x16 or 32x32 works for sprites. Once chosen, create a canvas and set your palette to 4/8 colors so shapes read clearly. Turn off anti-aliasing and enable pixel snapping to keep edges crisp. Then sketch a simple silhouette with a 12px brush to block shape. Use one solid color first. You'll refine form and silhouette before adding value and detail. Now you refine form by blocking in values: base, midtone, highlight, and shadow. You do this to show volume and readability at small sizes. Once the silhouette is solid, choose a single light direction and place highlights and shadows consistently. That consistency makes sprites readable in-game. Use 1-2 pixel strokes for important edges and dithering sparingly for texture. Make sure to zoom in and out, often so details hold up at action. Finish by cleaning stray pixels and simplifying cluttered areas so the silhouette remains strong. Once done, tweak palette contrast to ensure highlights and shadows separate clearly. Sharp contrast often fixes muddy details. Export using nearest neighbor scaling to preserve hard edges and supply a sprite sheet plus metadata for your game engine. If details vanish in engine, make sure scaling is correct and consider increasing contrast or reducing colors. That single change typically resolves visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.